Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to verify your Depop shop account quickly and easily to start selling with confidence. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk you through every step to verify your Depop shop account so you can establish trust and increase sales. First, open your Depop app and log into your account. Head to your profile by tapping on the person icon at the bottom right corner. Once there, locate the settings menu often found by tapping the gear icon. Inside Settings, find the Account Verification option. Depop requires you to verify your identity to ensure you are a legitimate seller. To begin the process, prepare a valid government-issued ID such as your passport or driver's license. Depop will ask you to upload a clear and readable photo of your ID. Make sure the lighting is good and all details are visible. Next, you'll be prompted to take a selfie to confirm your identity matches the photo ID you submitted. Hold your phone steady and follow on-screen instructions carefully. After uploading your documents and selfie, submit your verification request. Processing time usually takes a few hours to a couple of days, depending on Depop's review queue. While waiting, ensure your profile details like your bio and store information are complete and appealing to buyers. Once Depop approves your verification, you will receive a confirmation notification, and your account will display a verified badge. This badge builds buyer confidence, reduces fraudulent activity, and often improves your shop's visibility on the platform. Remember, keeping your shop trustworthy helps you attract more customers and secure higher sales. That's all there is to verifying your Depop shop account step by step. Be patient during review and always double-check your document clarity to avoid delays. Don't forget to keep your profile updated and active for the best results. Thank you for watching and following this guide to build your shop's credibility and unlock new selling opportunities.